Every experience teaches us something new, and this place, the SSB Short Shot Academy, has taught me very many things. I have learned what are my negatives, what are my positives, and how I should be in my SSB interview.
After completing my 12 days of course, I'm really feeling very confident, and I have improved a lot.
Our beloved Major General Bhakuni sir, he is also an SSB president from Bangalore board. He has a lot of experience. He teaches us how to improve ourselves. So we learn how to speak, we learn how to socialize, we learn many things. This SSB Short Shot Academy is not just an academy, it is a family. We work together, we live together, and we are happy. I recommend all of you to come here.
Those who are preparing for the SSB, I recommend that you should come to Short Shot Academy, and I'm sure that you will make it. Thank you.